Introduce highlight features or overview summary of VANTRUE POWER, JS2 2500A, jump starter with 160 psi air compressor. There are features include: honest, real-world specs with no exaggeration. VANTRUE Power Battery Jumper Starter Portable owns real 3250 amp and 24,000 mAh capacity, while most competitors inflate numbers by 2 to 3x. No gimmicks, no false claims, just dependable performance that never cuts corners. A true must-have for any vehicle, it easily jump-starts any 12-volt gasoline engine under 8.0 liters, fitting sedans, SUVs, and high-displacement pickup trucks. Reliable, straightforward, and ready when you need it, real peace of mind for your daily drive. 5+N Smart Preset Inflation Modes. The car jump starter portable with built-in tire inflator comes with 5 dedicated preset inflation modes, ideal for pickups, sedans, SUVs, motorcycles, bikes and sports balls. An extra custom mode is also available to satisfy all your personalized inflation demands. Featuring convenient one-touch operation, it inflates tires rapidly and stops automatically once the preset pressure is reached. Fully automatic design ensures safe, hassle-free inflation all the time. 65-watt PD bidirectional fast charging. This portable car jump starter supports 65-watt PD fast charging, with dual USB-A ports outputting 12-watt and 18-watt. It fully charges itself in just 2 hours and works as a portable power bank to fast charge phones, laptops, tablets and other devices anytime anywhere. Built-in 400-lumen multi-mode LED flashlight features steady, strobe and SOS light modes, ideal for daily travel, outdoor camping, and roadside emergencies. Blazing fast tire inflation. This car battery jumper starter comes with a high-power air compressor, generating stable 45 liter per minute airflow and supporting maximum 160 psi pressure. The jump box features superior inflation efficiency, inflating 3-minute 30-second for sedans, 3-minute 45-second for SUVs and 4-minute 10-second for pickups. Fitted with an extended air tube, this jump pack gets rid of space limits, perfectly suited for daily tire pressure adjustment and roadside emergency inflation needs. 9-inch large screen, real-time data display. This jump starter with air compressor comes with a 9-inch large digital screen, displaying remaining power, voltage, start-up status, tire pressure, and fault alerts in real time for easy checking. JS3 jumper box adopts ergonomic grip and streamlined compact design, lightweight and easy to carry, ideal for outdoor trips and roadside emergencies. VANTRUE Power Jumper Box for Car Battery Portable comes with 5 practical inflation nozzles to fit diverse usage scenarios. Jump starter works seamlessly for vehicle tires of sedans, SUVs, and pickups, as well as electric scooters, bicycles, air mattresses, sports balls and other inflatable items. All nozzles fit neatly into the built-in storage slot to prevent loss and keep accessories tidy, allowing quick access for easy inflation anywhere. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.